Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a subtitle for YouTube video, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels, TikTok video, etc. etc. You are create this type of subtitle for business purpose and personal purpose. It's absolutely free for join. So this link already in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first of all, I'm going to this.
People
website.
always talk about wanting hits of dopamine, but that
you can see these subtitle are mostly attractive to people. I'm going to another one. Then another
have you ever
one.
become completely immersed in
Wow.
So we want anyone to be able to take something away from this.
misalignment burnout arises from the negative feelings that arise when our goals don't match up to our sense of
If you are scroll on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. platform, you always see most attractive subtitle on their video, but you don't know how to create this type of. Please continue this video at the end of. I guarantee you, after watching this video, you are able to create this type of subtitle using this AI tool. So let's get started. First, I'm going to subtitle AI, subtitle.co. So this link I'm in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first, I need to upload a video. So I upload a video. What? Wow, this is a Mr. Beast a video. I download this video on YouTube, but I want to translate it. If you want to translate it to others language, example of here lots of language are supported. Basically English, French, Arabic, and Hindi, Dutch, Spanish, German, Portuguese, etc. Lots of language are supported these platforms. So I don't need to translate in another language. I just want to subtitle. I just want to create a subtitle. Just click on transcript. When you click transcript, you need to few seconds for processing. Okay, once have done it, you need to select few option. Example of, you can see these font are most attractive, but I want to change it more. So wow, here are lots of functionality. Here you can choose one and download your video into MP4 file. So I want to click this button. So
Thanks to Nolan. Without him, this would have been possible.
this is amazing, and you want to download this video, just click export. When you click export, exporting with watermark, because this is a free method. When you download this file, you can use for personal purpose anywhere. This doesn't matter, and those type of platform don't mind you. But if you want to use this short
So if you're struggling to stay focused while studying, then you might want to try a
commercial
technique called
purpose,
adventure studying. This is a concept from
for if you want to use those short for commercial purpose, you need to must update your plan into. This is very cheap price actually. So if I want if I click on upgrade, you can see free starter pro agency. I highly recommend you for pro plan, because this is only $40 per month. This is a decent amount. So this is very cheap. When you purchase this plan, you got storybook also with this. So this is amazing. So if you want to more video to this type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.